Welcome to WEB2 ICM Digital. Does your computer feel like it's getting slower and slower every day? Wish it would just run smoothly like it did when you first got it? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the basics of computer maintenance. These are simple but incredibly powerful habits that will help keep your computer fast, efficient, and healthy for a long, long time. And hey, before we start, make sure you follow our Facebook page for even more digital literacy lessons. You can find us at facebook.com/web2icm. Now, let's get started. First up, let's talk about hardware care. Think of your computer like any other machine. You own it needs a good environment to work well. The golden rule is to keep it in a cool, dry, and clean space. Dust and heat are its worst enemies. Another big no-no: drinks near your device. We've all been tempted to have a coffee right next to our laptop, but one accidental spill can mean a very expensive repair, or worse, a dead computer. So it's best to keep liquids at a safe distance. Also, be gentle with your cables. When you're unplugging something, always pull from the sturdy plastic head of the plug, not from the cord itself. Yanking the cord can damage the internal wires and lead to connection problems. Finally, give your computer some breathing room. Make sure its air vents aren't blocked by books, blankets, or anything else. Good ventilation is key to preventing overheating, which can seriously damage the internal components and slow everything down. A little care for the physical parts goes a long way. Next, let's talk about software updates. You know those little notifications that pop up telling you an update is ready? Don't ignore them. They are absolutely essential for both security and performance. This includes your main operating system updates, like for Windows or Mac OS, as well as updates for your apps and special software called drivers. Why are they so important? Well, developers are constantly working to fix bugs, improve speed, and, most importantly, patch up security holes. These updates are your first line of defense against viruses, malware, and hackers who are always looking for ways to exploit outdated software. Think of it as getting the latest locks for your digital home. To make it easy on yourself, go into your settings and turn on automatic updates whenever possible. That way, your computer stays protected without you having to think about it. Okay, so what do you do when something goes wrong? Your computer freezes, an app won't open, or the internet just stops working. Before you panic and rush to a technician, there are a few basic troubleshooting steps you can try yourself. The number one most effective trick in the book is to simply restart your computer. It sounds too simple to be true, but a reboot can solve a surprising number of common problems by clearing out temporary glitches in the system. If that doesn't work, do a quick physical check. Are all the cables plugged in securely? Sometimes a loose power or network cable is the real culprit. If a specific app is frozen, you can often force it to close using the Task Manager on Windows or force quit on a Mac. Most operating systems also have built-in troubleshooters that can automatically diagnose and fix common issues with things like your internet connection or audio. Of course, if the problem continues and you're not sure what to do, it's time to call in a professional. Do not try to open up your computer or attempt complex repairs if you not comfortably could end up causing more damage. Last but not least, let's cover cleaning and safe handling. As we mentioned earlier, dust is the enemy of electronics. It clogs up fans and vents, trapping heat inside and causing your computer to overheat. Regularly cleaning your device is a must. For screens and surfaces, use a soft, dry microfiber cloth. Never ever spray water or cleaning fluids directly onto your computer. If you need to, lightly dampen the cloth, but never the device itself. For keyboards and vents, a can of compressed air is your best friend. It can blow out all the dust and crumbs that get stuck in those hard-to-reach places. Before you start any cleaning, always make sure your computer is completely turned off and unplugged from the wall. Safety first. And when you're moving your computer, especially a laptop, handle it with care. Hold it firmly with both hands from the base, not by the screen. The screen hinges are delicate and can be damaged easily. And that's a wrap on our introduction to basic computer maintenance. Thank you so much for watching with us here at WEB2 ICM Digital. Remember, putting in a little bit of effort with these small regular maintenance steps can save you from big expensive problems down the road. Keep your digital life running smoothly. For more tips and weekly digital literacy lessons, make sure to follow our Facebook page at facebook.com/web2icm and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.